Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the May 2024 Curated Bead Box to share with you all today. In case you're not familiar, the Curated Bead Box is a monthly subscription of beads. Each box also contains a Findings Starter Kit, which makes it really handy. You can pretty much make pieces directly out of the box. All you would really need would be your basic jewelry tools. It's $20 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. I think they only ship in the United States. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for this subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. When I did last month's unboxing, I had a lady comment, and she said that she had got the box for her 6-year-old daughter. Her name is Natty. So, hi Natty. If you're watching, I hope you're enjoying your beads. That's a really good idea. If you have a young person in your life that enjoys beading or that wants to bead along with you, this would be a really good box for them. It's one of the least expensive boxes out there, and you get a whole lot of beads for $20. So it would be a really good idea for a young person if they're interested in beading, or if you want to try to get them interested in beading. It would be a really good box for that. So it looks like the theme this month is Mystical Orient. So I'm going to, let's take a little peek first. I cut it open, but I've not looked. So we're going to peek together, see what these look like. Then I'll get them all organized. Anywhere to set my box. I've got so much stuff on my desk here. It's just terrible. I need to take about a week and clean off this desk. So there's some pretty beads up there. There's a tassel in there, or maybe a few tassels in there. Those are some pretty beads. So hold on, I'll get everything organized and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to start with the Finding Starter Kit. This month it's in silver. They alternate between silver and gold. And we've got some stretch cord to make stretch bracelets with, some bead stringing wire, and some memory wire. And we've got some head pins, some lobster clasps, some crimp beads. These are not crimp tubes, they're crimp beads. Some fishhook ear wires, and some jump rings. I think these are about 6mm jump rings. Like I said, that makes it really handy. You can make pieces directly from the box with just some basic jewelry pliers. So hold on, I'll get the beads sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got all the beads sorted out now. First I have an 8-inch strand of 10mm Summer Glory Crackle Season glass beads. And these are really pretty, and I know I always say it, but it just fascinates me how they do that crackle effect in there. Those are really pretty, some pink and kind of amber colors in there. They're just really, really pretty. And then next is an 8-inch strand of 10mm yellow marble style glass beads. Those are really pretty. Looks like the holes are in good shape. These are some pretty springtime colors, I think. Next is a 6-inch strand of 10mm fuchsia swirl marble style glass beads. So those are really pretty. They're all different. Very much the same, but they're not all exactly the same. They're really pretty. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 8mm green/purple duo style glass beads. So 8mm green purple duo style glass beads. I guess the purple is the little splotches in there. That's a really pretty color. I don't know that it's really showing the right color on my camera. It looks more blue in my camera, but it really is green. And then next is a 7 to 8 inch strand of 8mm lapis lazuli gemstone beads. So every now and then they'll put a strand of gemstone beads in here. This time it's lapis lazuli. It's a really pretty gemstone. And then next are a 1 ounce bag of 6/0 baby pink opaque glass seed beads. And that's a really pretty color. Now these are not the kind of seed beads that I would bead weave with because they're not really consistently sized. Some of them are bigger than others, and some of them are skinny and kind of like that, but they are really good to string with. They add a lot of interest to a piece if you string with them. And then next is, let's see, approximately 1 ounce pink/silver designer glass bead mix. And I know I say it every time, but I just love to play around with mixes. These are just really pretty. There's some sort of big bicone beads and some just silver and some with those little bands around them there, like that. Those are really pretty, some pink beads. And those are just really pretty. And then next is an approximately 1 ounces of pale yellow/silver designer glass bead mix. And those are really pretty. Those are some flat center drilled beads and some larger yellow beads. Little tiny beads in there. Those are all real little, look like seed beads. They're so tiny in there. Like these are kind of like flat bicones or something, or flat UFO shaped beads. The hole is not exact. Doesn't look like it's exactly drilled in the center. Looks like it's a little bit off center there, you know. And then next is approximately 1 ounce crystal/white designer glass bead mix. I think this is my favorite. I really like this. There's some opaque ones in there and some kind of square tube clear beads in there. Those are really pretty. I really like that mix. And then next are 8 10 by 6mm silver metal barrel spacer beads. And those are really nice. They got a big hole, so you could get some leather in there, or you could maybe do a multi-strand something and put all the strands through here. Those are really pretty. Like that design on there. And then next are 25 pieces, 25 6mm silver metal bead caps. And I really like these bead caps. I can get them up here on my fingers so you can see them. Those are really pretty. You know I love bead caps. I put bead caps and spacer beads. I use a lot of metal, so I always love getting bead caps. Those are really nice. And then next is a 54 by 36mm silver metal half moon chandelier pendant. And that's really pretty. And I don't do a whole lot with big pendants like this. I kind of shy away from big pendants like this. But I might have to see if I can do something with this, because it would be pretty. It's got all the loops here you can hang things, dangle beads from. It's got 7 of them there. So you can make a really pretty kind of a statement piece with this. And then last are 5 130 by 6 millimeter pink polyester tassels. So those are fun. Some tassels that you could use in a focal. They're really pretty. So hold on, I'll see if I can get this all together in one picture. Hold on, I'll be back. Okay, so there's everything in our May 2024 Curated bead box. These are some really pretty beads, and I love those mixes. I just love playing around with mixes. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I can't wait to see what I can make from these beads. I hope you all come back and watch me and bead along with me. And I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. I also sell gift cards and some extra beads and findings that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care.